Warning, picture may be too small to draw, so sit back, relax, and see a man in action. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw INCINEROAR from Pokemon Sword and Shield. Sun and Moon. In case you're wondering, INCINEROAR is known as the Heal Pokemon and is one of Kukui's most powerful Pokemon when he was disguised as the Masked Royal. If you must know, INCINEROAR has a signature move called Darkest Lariat, and his his Z move is Malicious Moonsault. I know it sounds a bit odd that INCINEROAR has a move called that, and how his Z move incinerates the entire arena. But that's no reason to be ashamed of. I still think INCINEROAR is a powerful Pokemon. One of the most powerful starter Pokemon in town. If you must know, Ash's Litten wanted to beat INCINEROAR. Also when it evolved into Torracat. But even Torracats didn't stand a chance. But you see INCINEROAR, he transformed in Ash's Torracat, used Inferno Overdrive, and absorbs the flamethrower into his body, and transformed into INCINEROAR, but became motionless with exhaustion. But I'm glad that Ash's INCINEROAR evolved. I just don't know why he had to leave it back at Professor Kukui's house. Anyways, let's finish this up, shall we? So, we already started off with the head. Next thing you gotta do, well, let's see, the next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his left ear and his other ear. Okay, next up are his whiskers. At least I think that's what they are. Or they're part of his head. They're part of his giant bushy head. Well, I wouldn't say bushy, but... Okay then, next up... Okay, so next up, you just gotta draw his other hand. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his underside here. Here's his arm. Next up, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his hand here. You just gotta click this part. You might wanna add some ab-like parts here. There we go. Next up, here's his other arm. You know, I'm glad that Litton was able to beat him in battle when he evolved into Incineroar at last. It's like he took the title of... It's like he claimed the title of Incineroar for himself. Remember, his claws are really, really big. And, well... There we go. There we go. You see his belt is actually made out of fire. And, well, basically, that's what it looks like. Next thing you do is that you gotta draw the legs. And write it down here. And here's his tail. And there. And there's his... And that's how you draw Incineroar. Pretty awesome, don't you think? Alright, sorry, I was just drawing what Incineroar looks like in this picture. You see that? Okay, anyways, that's how you draw Incineroar. I'll see you guys next time.